Hello pool players, if you're struggling with your rail shots, this video is for you. This is one of the drills that I performed early on when I started playing the game that really helped me cut shots down the cushion. Let me first of all show you how it's set up. We've got the cue ball, middle diamond, short rail, one ball with off the cushion. We've got two object balls, this is key, one at the second diamond and one at the third diamond, one ball with off the cushion. Now the thing about this is the one shot is going to be about a 30-degree cut where the other is a 45-degree cut. We're going to cut these balls all the way down into that corner. So without further ado, let's take a look at how this is done.
As you begin this exercise, use center top on these two shots. What you'll need to watch for here is cut-induced throw. And like one of my other videos where I show how speed affects cut-induced throw, try to shoot these shots at the same speed. Once you've become proficient at hitting center top, next, use top outside right from this angle. I'd like to point out a couple of things when we use top outside spin. First of all, we negate cut-induced throw. Instead, we impart spin-induced throw. So here's some advice when we shoot this type shot. We want to hit this ball a little more full. In other words, cut it less to the corner pocket, like an undercut. Our third shot scenario is to use inside spin, and I add a little top when I shoot these shots. And what you'll notice here is with the gearing effect, these shots must be aimed much differently. So really, it's just about the process here that teaches you how to aim these shots. With each successful as well as failed attempt, you'll get valuable feedback so you'll know how to compensate during the next shot.
So now that we've executed the shot with center ball and outside and inside spin, it's time for us to shoot a more difficult shot, and that is the low outside draw shot. So let's check it out.
I added this shot because I had much difficulty with the cue ball only a ball width off the cushion. You'll find out when you shoot this that you're a bit jacked up, so here's a real secret that'll help you a lot. Really choke up on your cue, as this will help you to better control the shot. And if you happen to miss like I did on that shot before, just reset the shot and shoot it over. Without a doubt, being jacked up off the rail, it's very difficult to make a good hit. So for me, I like to look at the cue ball last on this shot, and that's my secret. For all other shots other than my jump shot and a long power draw, I look at the object ball last.
I hope this rail shot video was helpful to you. If you have any questions or comments about it, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll answer every one. And please do me a favor and share this video as it helps many players, but it'll also help my channel and I need your help. Also hit the thumbs up. And if you want to watch another informative tutorial, watch this one right here. And until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.